Audio sync. Hey, ever wonder how I make my videos? No? Well, too bad, because it's time for How I Make My Videos 2018 edition. Yo guys, TSP here, back with TSP Tech. Now, 2 years ago, I made a video called How I Make My Videos 2016 edition. This is How I Make My Videos 2016 edition. And in 2 years, the style of my videos hasn't changed much, but the equipment and the procedures I follow are drastically different. Let me show you. First up, as always, I need to find a topic. Now I get inspired by the littlest things, so the ones that really stand out are the topics I'll be making videos on. For example, a couple weeks prior, my brother got a brand new Chromebook from his school, and naturally I wanted to see how it compares to my old Windows laptop. Well, it's from 2015, it's not that old, but it's a Pentium, so I want to see how those two compare. So just like last time, I open up Google Keep and I write it down, as I do with all my video ideas. And once I'm committed to making a video, that's when the research happens. Now this varies in the amount of time it takes, but this specific project took about a week worth of research. Everything from finding specs to running benchmarks. I want to give a huge shout out to Nimdullah for actually teaming up with me on this project. He did most aspects of this video, such as finding the research, running benchmarks, and even some video editing, which I will get to later. With all the research saved in the document, it's time to start writing the script. This usually happens in Microsoft Word. However, I also like to use Google Keep, as I can edit on my laptop and on my phone when I'm on the go. Next up are a couple of proofreads, either by me or Nimdullah, and we're ready to start shooting. Now my weapon of choice is the Canon EOS M10, which I'm recording on right now. I got this on Boxing Day for around $400, and it is the best interchangeable mirrorless camera for sub $400. Now I did an unboxing of this camera, and I'll have it linked down below right next to that like button, or on screen now. Now I usually start by shooting A-roll first, then B-roll, but for this specific project, I don't know why, I decided to shoot B-roll first before A-roll. Which doesn't really matter, whichever one works for you, go ahead and use it, it doesn't really matter. Now for those that have no idea as to what I'm talking about, A-roll is this. It's when I'm having a one-on-one conversation with the camera. And B-roll is shots of all the products you see on top of my voice so you don't get bored. Just like this moment right here. Hey, we're filming, we got the camera right here, and basically here's what the shot looks like. Battery is almost dead. Okay, so we're at a new location. As you can see, this is my basement. And that is what happens when you're in the middle of recording and your computer dies. Slowly. Go to the right a little bit, yep. This way, to the right, go. Yep, good shot. And that is how we shoot our B-roll. And this usually takes from a couple of hours to a couple of days to shoot all the B-roll. This specific project, it took me about 2 days to finish shooting. Okay, cool, it's time to record the A-roll now. This usually takes place in my bedroom. No, silly, in my little video recording area in my bedroom. Yeah, pervert. I just pick an outfit, sit down in front of the camera, plug the mic into my phone, turn on the camera, record, swing the mic arm, and record the mic as well, and boom, we're shooting A-roll. Here's how you do it, you know? And then we do some pop zooms, and we're recording some nice crispy A-roll, you know? Now this specific project took me about 2 hours to record the A-roll. Yeah, 2 hours to record a 10-minute video. You're probably like, why? Well, which operating? Well, I'm using a $350 Windows. Now we're going to be comparing these two laptops. Well, the Chromebook has an 11.6 inches. While the Chromebook has an 11.6, it's primarily internet related. Let's start with the OS. Now, me personally, I am a huge Windows. Let's start with the OS. Now, me personally, because I mainly use my laptop for product. Whoa, it just got really bright. Yeah. Anyways, after that, I simply grabbed the SD card, plugged it in my laptop. Like legit, my laptop is right here. I just plug into my laptop and import all the footage and make subfolders, and I put all the footage into those subfolders. This will help reduce wasted time looking for specific files when I'm editing. Once this is done, I open up my video editor of choice, Adobe Premiere Pro. Yo, why Premiere Pro over something like Sony Vegas or Final Cut, you know? Good question, Sinjula. Well, one, I'm too brown for a Mac, so Final Cut is out of the water. As much as I'd love to use it, I simply can't afford a Mac. And I actually switched from Sony Vegas to Premiere Pro because I took a video editing course in school and they actually use Premiere Pro for that. And after using it in school, I realized how much better it is than Sony Vegas. It offers a lot more advanced features. Features I never thought I'd need, but ended up loving. Such as, you know, the crazy RGB effects and the smooth zoom transitions and so much more. Anyways, I've been asked a couple of times to do like a Premiere Pro tutorial, so if that's something you're interested in, drop a like and let me know in the comments below. After importing the footage, I always edit the A-roll first as a foundation. And actually, Nindula edited the A-roll for that video, so be sure to rate his editing skills on his Instagram at Nindula, so go follow him there. You're welcome, Nindula. I plugged your Instagram. That's $5. This actually took him 3 hours to complete a 10-minute video, so props on that, Nindula. Once the A-roll is complete, it's time to layer on the B-roll and any other special effects.
It takes to make you see, make you see. I have realized.
Add a soundtrack and some color correction into the mix, and boom, a video is born. And finally, it's time to render the files. I have a folder with all my videos I've uploaded from 2017 and onwards. I save it using its appropriate title, and the waiting begins. This is why I wish I had a more powerful computer. While we wait for that to finish rendering, let's work on the thumbnail. For this I use Photoshop, grab a screenshot, add some color correction, add some images, and boom, a masterpiece. Sort of. Okay, not really, but whatever. Now it is time to upload. Description, check. Tags, check. End screen, check. Cards, check. Snapchat, check. Instagram, check. Twitter, check. Ready? Make public and save changes. Boom! So here is where you come in. The whole reason I make videos is to read your comments, see the feedback you give, the likes, the new subscribers, everything, all the stress that goes into making a video shows off in the end. At least that's what I tell myself. Here's what really happens. Did you like the new video?
Not even subscribed.
Yeah, I'm the type of guy to comment on my own videos. Okay, wow. First of all, thank you. Oh my gosh, the video. This is now the most watched video on my channel. Holy crap. And the amount of positive feedback is just amazing, guys. But thank you. I guess all the hard work I put in did really show at the end. Alright, back to the video. Now for real, thanks for watching. Hopefully you got some insight as to what it takes to create a TSP Tech video. On top of making tech videos, I also have a main channel, if you haven't noticed, where I upload random videos that just come to my mind, so I'll leave that link down below. Fun fact, those videos are actually easier to make than these tech videos, but I still make tech videos because I'm fascinated each and every single day by the world of technology around us. How everything is connected with one simple button. That subscribe button, so smash that subscribe button and that like button down below. Let's see if we can hit 50 million likes. This is TSP and I am signing out. Peace.